Welcome to the new episode of HTML Practical. In this session, I'm going to discuss about how to create table using HTML. So first we'll see how to create the table and using which tag we can create the table. Now I hope you all people know what is table. So the table is made up of rows and columns. So as per the rows and the column, in each cell we can insert our content, and with the help of this bifurcations of rows and columns, we can sort out, or we can filter out our data, or we can say we can format our data in such a way so that we can get the clear sections, or different sections of the content. The HTML tables are created using the table tag. So the first most tag to create the table is table tag, in which you have to use tr tag, which used to create the row. So tr tag is for creating the row, we can say the horizontal section, and the td tag is used to create the data cells. So in each row we require a cells, right? So in one row, let's say the one cell, two cell, three cell. So we can say if three cells are there in one row, so there is one row and three columns. So gradually if you increase the row, so let's say 3 by 3 table, so there is 3 row and 3 column. So the three tags are important: table tag, tr tag and td tag. The element under td are regular and left align by default. I mean all the content display on left hand side of the cell. The table heading can be defined using th tag. This tag will be put to replace td tag, which is used to present actual data cell. Normally you will put your top row as table heading, as shown in the next slide. Otherwise you can use a th element in any row. The headings which are defined in th are centered align, and the weightage of the fonts are bold by default. So let's see the first example. So this is the first example of the simple table. So in this slide you can see that the table, right, which I want is like there is two column, the name column and the roll number column. So this is the main title, I mean we can say the heading of the columns, right, or the heading of the data. So name and the roll number, and the contents are Ram and Mohan as name column, and roll number are 101 and 102. So let's see how to create this table. So first of all we'll require HTML tag, then body tag, and inside body tag we'll require table tag. In table tag we have to use a border. A minimum size of the border is 1. You can increase this border size as per your requirement. If you won't apply a border, you'll not get the outline. You can see in the photo there's inside and outside border. So it is like a 1 point border inside and 1 point border outside. TR tag, so that is for the first row, because this is the first row, name and the roll number, and for that I have used th tag. So this and the roll name and the roll number, these two are the column titles. So I have used th tag. I have closed the first row, right? So I mean, from here it starts a first row and here it close the first row. For second row again you have to create you have to open a tr tag, and then inside you have to use two td tag. Let's say td ram and close td, another cell td 101 close td and close tr, so to close the second row and the third row as well. I'll show you the actual demonstration, the basic table I have prepared. So I will just make changes. Let's say in border I have used tab 2, and I will write here my sample table. So you can see in the first row my sample table, which is the caption tag. So I want the name of my table. So inside the table tag you have to first use the caption table to add the name, the title of the table. So that is the caption tag. uh, the tr tag, the tr in the first tr, let's say roll number and the name, right? So in the next tr I will make it 101, and here we'll write ram, and here I want 102 and rahim, right? I'll save this and I will refresh it. See, it shows my sample table. It's a center align and as per the size of the table, right? It gives me the title, right, in 2 lines. See, I'll increase this my the view of the browser, right? I have not increased the table size. So this is the number and the name 101, ram 102, rahim. In case if you want to add a third row, so I'll show you. You have to open another tr tag. Inside tr tag you have to open td tag. I'll give the number td 103. I'll close td tag and then again open td. I'll write the name. Oh, I will close tr tag, right? So this is how I can add my fourth column and third record in my table, right? So this is how you can create a simple and the basic tables. So I have discussed here the table tag, caption tag, table border attribute, th tag, that is table heading, tr tag, that is table row, td tag, that is used to create a table cells, right? So this 5 tags, this 5 elements of the html to create the table. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon in the next session.